would you say you feel now, a week after you finished a 14-day Kickstart diet, Charlie?
Very good. For the first 2 or 3 days, it was like a kiddie in the sweet shop, and I put on a kilo.
What did you eat then? What did you crave?
Not sure. I don't know what I crave, but you know, a glass of wine here, and
Yes, we did have a wine
bit
tasting.
of butter there, and a bit of chocolate here, and extra banana.
Did you feel that you served it?
Yeah. So suddenly, a kilo, 1.2 kilo. Anyway.
And what made you stop? You know, why did you not continue and put it all back on again?
Oh my God, why would we have gone through this fantastic diet and then just to blow it? So I've stabilised and I've lost again, and I'm now back to 100 grams under my finishing weight. So I finished the diet, I think I was 104.4. This morning now I'm 104.3, so you know, if I lose a kilo and a half a week.
So what made you click in back again, you know, get your mojo back and continue losing weight and not just say, that's it, I've done my job, I don't want
Because
to...
I haven't done my job. I'm not going to rest until I get to 92, 95.
So what has made you determined this time to reach your goal, and what are you doing now to succeed and do it?
What am I doing to reach my goal? Well,
yes.
The fact is I'm now 57.
Yeah.
I'm playing sport, I'm playing some good tennis, and it's nice to be able to run from the baseline to the net and actually get the ball rather than go, you know what.
Can't be bothered.
Can't be bothered. So that's good. And then it's being able to go for walks without feeling knackered, being able to go bicycling without feeling knackered, and just getting fit.
Feeling good.
Yeah.
Well done. Let's have a pause because we are not alone. So why do you think we will succeed this time when we failed so many times before?
Because this time's different. This time I'm getting nearer and nearer to the goal. I'm within striking distance. You know, 104, it's only 2 stone off my lifetime ideal weight. And I'm determined. And the encouragement that I'm getting, the amount of people, I'm doing it for myself and I'm doing it for health and fitness, but actually satisfaction of seeing people who've seen me for the last 10 years as basically a fat bloater, going, blimey, where have you sprung out from? And then the excitement of unwrapping shirts that I've not worn for 20 years. Suddenly, from a 19.5 collar, I'm now cracking into my box of 16 shirts, size 16 shirts. And it's like a kiddie in a sweet shop.
And the children, they are really proud, aren't they?
Yes, they are. Yeah, because they can see
the
I'm
effort.
actually determined, and they've stopped saying, oh, you're on your diet, oh, you shouldn't be having this, having that. Because they can suddenly see that you know, it's dropping like a stone.
And then you are exercising so much more.
Yes. And I'm enjoying the exercise I'm doing. I finally found that, you know, going cycling.
Your thing.
It's a mountain bike. It's not a road bike. It's not one of these middle-aged farts in Lycra with cleats who are bloody annoying to drivers. I'm a mountain bikist off tracks and trails without minimum use of the roads.
Okay,
all this garish Lycra now.
Okay, I'm just going to interrupt you there for 2 seconds and share where we are on the field with all the cows. And I'm just going to go next to my husband with the dog, just in case they decide to do something. He's going to be between me and the cows. I know, it's charming, isn't it? Right, I personally, so what can I share with you? Really, I like the mental rejigging on the membership site. You know, lot of different things, how you can change your mind so that your subconscious works with you. For me, that is really, really important, so that I'm not self-sabotaging myself, which I have done over the years, so that we both, as I call it, both me and my subconscious are working in the same, we have the same goal here in mind. And for me, that's been really, really important. So I strongly suggest, if you are anything like me on that bit with self-doubt and limiting beliefs, I strongly suggest that you look into those modules there. And also the meditation, because that sets you in the day. It primes your mind that I'm going to do this, I am successful and all of that. Now we're going into the shade now, so I'm going to stop. But lots of love to you all and super good luck. And if any question whatsoever, yes, please contact me and I will absolutely answer them all. Take care wherever you are in the world. Bye bye. Hello, if you're interested in the 14-day kickstart diet, how to lose weight in 14 days, and you will lose between 4 and 7 kilo in 14 days. And if you are careful when you stop the plan, you will sustain that weight loss, okay? So check it out on my website. The link is just below, and you will be amazed what you can achieve in such a short span of time. Lots of love to you all wherever you are in the world, and good luck with your weight loss. Bye bye.